Today is 14 August 2020. I am just now in front of Chinese embassy in the Den Haag. I am going to inside the Chinese embassy to ask my family members. More than 3 years, I have lost contact. 19 of my family members in East Turkestan occupied the evil Chinese government. I have more time sent to information about my family members to Chinese embassy, but the Chinese embassy didn't give me answer. What about of my family members?
Get out of my.
I asked the
Get
Chinese
out
government.
of my property, please.
I asked the Chinese government. Give me answer. Where's my 9 of my family members?
Get out.
Why get out?
Because I say so.
No.
You're
I asked the Chinese
trespassing.
government.
You want to be arrested?
Look at. This is my
You
family
want to be
members.
arrested?
Yeah. Look at my family members.
Do you want to be arrested? This is Chinese property.
Yeah, I know.
If
My
if
family
you know,
members are Chinese citizens. 9 of my family members. Yes. Give me answer. If Chinese government.
Get
Where's
out.
my family? Where is my family?
How the hell should I
Where's
know?
my? I asked the Chinese government. Where's my family members? 9 of my family members is disappeared. Police. Gaat even checken.
Sir. Meneer, wilt u nog één keer vorderen?
I follow you for the last
90
time.
people
Just
of my
get
family
out
members
of
is
my
disappeared.
property.
More than 3
You're
years.
trespassing.
More than 3 years. Why Chinese government give me answer?
You're
They are
trespassing.
died
sir.
of concentration camp of alive. Chinese government must give me answer.
Sir,
Where is my family?